The year was 1956, the place Dartmouth College, nestled in the tranquil town of Hanover, New Hampshire. It was here that a group of brilliant minds gathered for a summer that would forever alter the course of history. This wasn't just another academic conference, it was the Dartmouth Workshop, a 6-week brainstorming session that would give birth to the field of artificial intelligence as we know it. Imagine a world before computers could understand our language, recognize our faces, or even play a game of chess. The Dartmouth Workshop was a bold attempt to explore the audacious idea that machines could be made to think. The goal was ambitious, to explore the possibility of creating machines that could simulate human intelligence. This wasn't just science fiction, it was the dawn of a new era. The Dartmouth Workshop didn't emerge from a vacuum. The seeds of this intellectual revolution were sown years earlier in the minds of visionaries like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, and Nathaniel Rochester. McCarthy, then a young assistant professor at Dartmouth, is widely credited with conceiving the workshop. He had a vision of creating machines that could solve kinds of problems now reserved for humans. In 1955, McCarthy, along with Minsky, Shannon, and Rochester, submitted a groundbreaking proposal to the Rockefeller Foundation. This proposal, titled A Proposal for the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence, outlined their ambitious plan for the summer of 1956. The Rockefeller Foundation, recognizing the potential of their proposal, granted them a modest sum of $7,500. This funding would prove to be a small investment with monumental returns, as it paved the way for the birth of a field that would transform the world. The Dartmouth Workshop attracted a veritable who's who of early computer science and artificial intelligence. Among the participants were pioneers who would go on to shape the future of AI, their names forever etched in the annals of computing history. There was John McCarthy, the father of AI, who coined the term artificial intelligence and developed the Lisp programming language, a cornerstone of AI research. Marvin Minsky, a polymath and co-founder of the MIT AI Lab, brought his expertise in cognitive psychology and its applications to artificial intelligence. Claude Shannon, the father of information theory, provided crucial insights into the mathematical underpinnings of information processing essential for understanding intelligence, and Nathaniel Rochester, an early computer designer at IBM, contributed his practical experience in building computing machines. The workshop wasn't just a gathering of established figures, it also attracted a new generation of researchers eager to delve into the uncharted territory of thinking machines. The collaborative spirit of the Dartmouth Workshop was palpable, with participants engaging in lively discussions, debating ideas, and challenging each other's assumptions. Section 4. Blueprints of Intelligence Groundbreaking Ideas. The Dartmouth Workshop laid the theoretical foundation for AI. Participants explored topics from thinking and learning to game playing and language translation. Key ideas included heuristics for problem solving and symbolic reasoning for logical inferences. These concepts paved the way for early AI systems like the logic theorist. Discussions also covered neural networks inspired by the human brain. The ideas at Dartmouth were revolutionary, opening new research avenues. Section 5. From Logic Theorist to Deep Learning, AI's Ascent. The Dartmouth Workshop marked the beginning of AI's journey. AI evolved from simple rule-based systems to sophisticated algorithms learning from vast data. Early symbolic AI systems like Logic Theorist and Sherdlu showcased logical reasoning. The 1980s saw expert systems mimicking human decision-making in fields like medicine. AI faced disillusionment periods known as AI winters, with funding cuts and stagnation. Late 20th and early 21st centuries saw AI resurgence with massive datasets and computing power. Deep learning inspired by the human brain revolutionized image recognition and language processing. Today, AI powers self-driving cars, virtual assistants, medical diagnosis, and financial trading. The Dartmouth Workshop, though a humble gathering in the annals of history, was a supernova explosion of ideas. Its legacy lies not in any single invention, but in igniting the flame of artificial intelligence. It was the spark that ignited a firestorm of innovation, its embers continuing to glow brightly in the 21st century. As we venture further into the age of intelligent machines, we owe a debt of gratitude to those pioneers who dared to dream of thinking machines in that summer of 1956. Their legacy is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the boundless potential of human ingenuity. The future of AI is bright, and it all started with a simple question: can machines think?